Hey, Sam here, and this is the easiest way to make your keyboard talky. Today I'm taking a look at the Cerakey ceramic keycap set V2. These keycaps start at around $130 and come with 114 keycaps in the set. And as you can see, they are packed really nicely into 3 different boxes, so there's set A, B, and C. Besides that, there's also a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller included and 2 extra switches for you to test out. Alright, so set A comes with all of the alphas and some function keys as indicated at the back of the box. The keycaps are really organized in this plastic cover, so they are really protected as well, not like other keycap manufacturers. Set B has the navigation keys, the remaining function keys, and a few extra keys for the different layouts. Set C is basically just the numpad with an extra 1U0 included. They also sell extra add-ons to fit other layouts like the Alice add-on for the smaller spacebars. The color variant I have here is the Indigo version with the legends on top. Personally, I really like how it looks as it has a slight shine to the edges. I'm not so sure if you can see it on camera, but it looks stunning in real life. The keycaps are cherry profile and is made from alumina ceramics, which is heated up to 1280 degrees Celsius or just around 2300 degrees Fahrenheit, so they are impact resistant and have a shiny, smooth and cool finish. The stem here on the bottom is ABS plastic, so fitment isn't a problem on switches. They mainly switch to ABS here, so you don't have to worry about them breaking when putting them on or taking them off switches. Thickness wise, the ceramic keycaps fluctuate from around 1.1mm to 1.4 from my measurements here, so some sides are thicker than the other. Comparing them to more typical PBT cherry profile keycaps, they are mostly the same, but the ceramic keycaps are more curved on the sides and the edges. And as you can see, it does catch a lot of fingerprints and smudges due to the shiny and smooth finish when you compare it to PBT keycaps. Besides that, ceramic is also slightly heavier than PBT. As an example, a normal double shot PBT spacebar is around 8 grams, and a thicker PBT spacebar is around 10 grams. Comparing to the ceramic keycap, which is 20 grams, which is heavier than the two combined. Because of this, keep in mind that your keyboard will be heavier once you change to ceramic keycaps. Anyway, enough of me talking, here is how the ceramic keycaps sound. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the keycaps. Honestly, I really like how they sound and feel. They also changed the sound signature of the keyboard to sound fuller and deeper. Having ceramic keycaps is basically like having cheat codes that make your keyboard instantly thocky too. But I have to admit that they are quite expensive, starting at $130 US. But if you can afford it, you are still getting a high quality set of ceramic keycaps. So if you're interested in the Cerakey ceramic keycap set, it will be linked in the description below for you. And that wraps it up for this video. Thanks to Cerakey for the keycaps and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.